Hi, this is Ellen DeLapp, certified professional organizer and owner of professionalorganizer.com. I wanted to share with you some ADHD friendly ways to start the week strong with a Sunday night routine. Starting the week strong means that you're going to be your most productive and most prepared. So, to do that, you need to think of Sunday night as the start of the week itself. That mindset includes not only looking ahead, but preparing as best you can for the things that are coming this week. That means a little extra early bedtime, possibly getting things organized for the week, and be thinking, I'm going to be best prepared because I'm devoting this time to getting organized and getting ready. Your Sunday evening routine can consist not only of getting your bags packed, getting your lunches and meals prepared, but also be thinking about the routines that are calming for you, like going to bed early or reading a book or things that will make you feel best prepared for the week. So that routine should consist of self-care, but also preparation. Host a Sunday night reset. Things are getting a little out of order during the weekend for you and your family because you're very, very busy. So have a reset, which is getting things back to where they belong for you and your home, your pets, and your family. We're often thinking about what's coming ahead, but let's take advantage of that and write stuff down on a master list to clear out your head and finish up the task list and be best prepared for the week. All of this happens because you are saying no to distractions on Sunday evening. And even when things sound like a wonderful opportunity to spend time with others or an entertainment option, be thinking about how if you spend Sunday evening being best prepared with a reset and routines, it's going to be the best week.